She wasn't meowing. She was whispering for help. We found her under a cold staircase, tiny, shaking, and too weak to cry. Every small breath looked painful. Her throat was bruised, her voice almost gone. But when she saw us, she tried to whisper, not a meow, just a soft plea. So we picked her up gently, wrapped her in a warm cloth, and carried her home. We fed her drop by drop with a syringe and kept her close to our chest, letting her know she wasn't alone. Days passed. She ate, rested, healed, and slowly her tiny voice started coming back. And then one morning, she finally meowed.